All right, welcome to Notes 4.1 Part 2. We're going to continue with doing some of these exponent problems. Let's skip to, I'm going to have you do this in Edpuzzle first. Let's do this 200 minus 5 to the third plus 8. So very first thing you're going to write is PEMDAS. And do I have any parentheses? No, I do not, so I don't need to worry about it. Do I have exponents? Yes, I do. So I'm going to actually do my exponents. 5 to the third is really 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. And 25 times 5 is 125. Right? Look on your reference sheet if you don't believe me, or use a calculator if you don't believe me. So 200 minus 125 plus 8. Now I see if I have any multiplication or division. I don't, so those are out. Now I will add or subtract from left to right. So as I read it left to right, subtraction comes first, so I do that first, and then I will do my addition. So sometimes this is misleading because the A comes before the S, so it looks like you always add before you subtract. Not true. As I read it left to right, subtraction comes first, then I'll do my addition. All right? So I'll do 200 minus 125. That will give me 75. And then 75 plus 8, that's my addition. That's the only thing left over. That will give me my answer of 83. Okay, and no more left over, so 83 is my answer. All right, I'm probably going to have you do this in Edpuzzle. Let's do 6 squared divided by 12 plus 3. So PEMDAS. Do I have any parentheses? No, I do not. Do I have exponents? Yes, I do. Again, this is not 6 times 2, it is 6 times 6, and 6 times 6 is 36. So I did my exponents. Divided by 12 plus 3. So I asked myself, any multiplication or division? I have division. So I'll do 36 divided by 12. That's 3. So I have 3 plus 3 left over. No more multiplication or division. Do I have any addition or subtraction? All I have is addition. I had no subtraction. So I get my answer of 6. Okay. All right. In this final grouping, what you want to do in this section, you want to place parentheses around numbers so you get 7 as your answer, or you get 33, or 1, or 2. And in this one, you want to solve both of them out, and you want to see which one is greater. So I'll do kind of one of each. So if we have 12 plus 6 divided by 12 minus 2, how can I make this equal to 7? Well, if I put parentheses around, let's say, just initially right off the bat, the 12 and the 6, right? If I say do this first, well, 12 plus 6, that's 18 divided by 2 minus 2, and then that's 18 divided by 2, oh, that's 9, and then 9 minus 2 is 7. So yes, that's exactly where the parentheses, I got lucky, it's exactly where the parentheses should go on the very first try. So they should go around the 12, and they should go around the 6. Right? Imagine if I put them around the 2, right? So if I put 12 plus 6 divided by 2, if I put parentheses around both 2's, well, that would be 0, and then 6 divided by 0 is nothing, and then 12 plus nothing is 12, so it wouldn't get me 7, right? Let's do this one here. So here we're just going to say which expression is greater, less than, or equal to. So we'll say, we'll do PEMDAS for each problem. So here I want to do the parentheses first. So that's 8.
Mr. Closer, this is Mr. Beck.
Plus 6 divided by 12. And then on this side it's 12 minus, we do the parentheses first, 10 divided by 2. And then we're going to keep going here. On this side we're going to divide the 6 divided by 2, that's 3. And we say 8 plus 3. On this side we're going to divide the 10 divided by 2 first. And that's 5. It's 12 minus 5. And then on this side we have 8 plus 3 is 11. 12 minus 5 is 7. So what's greater, 11 or 7? And the answer is obviously, right, 11 is greater than 7. So that's what you're doing in these 3 problems. And that's what you're, in these 3 problems you're looking for the parentheses. In this problem you're trying to compare the 2. And finally, you want to use the numbers 2, 4, and 6 with parentheses, addition, or division, some of it, all of it, to get something gives you 5. try this first one. Say I did like 2 plus 4 divided by 6. Would that give me 5? Well, 2 plus 4 I do first, that's 6, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So nope, that's not going to work. What if I did 6 plus 4 first divided by 2? Well, 6 plus 4 is 10, and divided by 2, that's going to be 5. So yeah, that equals 5. So that's basically what you want to do. You want to take these three numbers in this one, using those symbols, and try and get 14. Right? That is the end of part 2.